Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Excel Book. In our histogram tutorial chart series, we have explained in the first video how to create histogram using manual calculation using Excel formulae and Excel charting. In second tutorial, we used pivot table to create histogram chart. Now, in our third video, we are going to show how to create histogram chart using MS Excel histogram option available in chart ribbon. You will be shocked how easy and convenient it is to create a histogram chart using MS Excel functionality. We have same example from the previous tutorial. We have date, price and price return with max, min and interval values in adjacent cell. Now, to create histogram chart using Excel functionality, we first need to select return in column E. Select the whole column. Now, go to Insert ribbon and click on histogram chart. The chart will get plotted. Now this is not final chart and the same needs modification. After inserting a chart, a new ribbon will appear as chart design. Click on add chart element. You will see a drop down. Select axis. Further, select primary horizontal. And further select more axis option and a tab will open at the right hand side of the screen. Here we need to input interval, that is bin width. We will click on number of bins and input it as 0.0005 as per our requirement. There are other options also here. Right now they are not significant to our requirement and our chart is ready, as simple as that. Now we will format the chart accordingly and our histogram chart is ready. So that's it in today's video. If you find this tutorial interesting and knowledgeable, then subscribe to our channel, like this video, and if you have any query, then write the same in comment section below. Thanks for watching.